Abhishek Yadav. Today we are going to see compiler lab experiment number 1. So in this we have to make the first question is to create a directory, and the second is to change the directory name. So to make a directory we should write the command mkdir, that file name, so let's say fol dir folder name. When we do ls, we can see here a new folder is created over here, folder name. Now we have to go to the folder, so we will write cd folder name. We can see a new folder is created. The third question is to create a student detail text, so you must use command dot this file name. This will create a student detail, and now in this we can write anything. So in this case, registration number, so that will execute it. Now next question for us is, but we don't want to make it here, so we'll leave it and we'll go out. And to delete we use a command called rm and the folder name. So to remove a folder it should be rm dir. So but we don't want to delete it now, so we leave it. The next question is display student detail, the registration number. So for that we have a command called grep, grep, and the data where. So it will tell that all those who have data where as their elective. The next question is to display the number of students in the elective who have CAD. So the same program will be there. Instead of data warehouse it will be CAD, and then we will use pipeline operator and do a word count, and we will write -l for letters, which would give us 2. So as we can see here, CAD only 2 people are having, so it will give the word count -l. The next question is display the file in sorted order. So for that we have command sort -n, then the file name. So in this case our file name is student detail, so this gives us a sorted order. Our next question is rename the file backup.txt to save.txt. So here we already have done that. So for that we must make a new file. To rename we use the command mv backup.txt to save.txt. So it will be save.txt. Because we have not created the backup file, so it is showing that error, but we can do that. And the command is mv to move. We can do it by mv, and then we can write the file name and then the folder name slash the file name.txt. This is also possible. Next question is how many files are available in under dev. So for that we have ls pipeline word count -w. So this gives us the number of files. Our next question is display the current time, which is date plus this gives us the current time or the system time. Our next question is display the month of 2017, so it will be cal 06 2017. The 12th question is store the username whosoever is logged into the system and now save it into a file. So the command for it will be who for whosoever is logged in, then this symbol, and then this user.txt. If you want to save it into user.txt, we have already created a file. It will replace the earlier file which we have created. So the user.txt was already there, it is created again, so we can view it. So these many people are logged in currently. Our next question is how many words are present in the student details. So for word count wc minus w, this will give us the file name. So student details should be the file name. So this will give us the student word count, how many words are present in that table. Our next question is show all the hidden. So I've already done that over here. It shows all the hidden files and folders in that folder. Create an alias name unhidden for the command we have given. So to create the alias, we must use alias hidden 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 equal to then our command, so which was ls hyphen a. So this will create our ls called hidden. So whenever we use the command called hidden, it will display all that. I have already created it, so let's try. Okay, I should create it. So this creates the command. So this gives us the answer. So we have created a alias command hidden for alias minus a to show all the hidden files and folders. Now our next question is what is the process ID of the shell we are using. So for that we have a command called ps. This is the ID. Create 10 empty file with extension text, doc and jpg.etc. So we have to make files, so we have to use command touch, and then we have to give file name. So 1.txt, 2.txt. Similarly, we have to create a number of files. So here we can see I have already created 10.jpg, and as you can see 1 2 3 4 is not available. 1 2 3.txt 3.txt is not available till now. So and 10.jpg is also not available, so we'll make that. So so here it creates all those new files, and then we have to next question is to create a directory called csc and move to all the files, all the txt files into it. So we have already created the folder called CSC, so I will move all of them to folder name. So it will be okay. I will make a new folder and then I will transfer all to that. So CSC MV, so it will replace the existing one. As I said, we have already created, we'll just move all this to CSC folder. So now we can see it has been removed from here, and we'll go to folder called CSC, and here we can see that all of those, like, I have not just shifted txt files, but I have shifted 10.jpg also, so it has also been shifted to that folder. Also we can see that 4.txt was already available, which has not been replaced, and all others have been replaced. So we'll go to the original folder, cdspace.tt, and the last question is display the last 3 lines of the student.txt. So for that we use tell.studentdetails. Okay, I have shifted it to that folder CSC, so it cannot find the file. That's all. Thank you.